Habari. Hello and welcome to the African Language Learning Series, brought to you by Resalam. This presentation is tailored to kids, toddlers, or adults eager to learn a new language. If you'd like to use this presentation for teaching purposes or make any alterations, please reach out to Resalam for authorization. Remember, you're welcome to modify and adopt this presentation to suit your needs, but don't forget to give credit where it's due. You'll find the contact details on this presentation and links attached in the description. Today, we will be exploring the world of Swahili and English vocabulary. And before we begin, let me remind you that this presentation was crafted by Shwanchek Chamna with a goal of making language learning engaging and accessible. Did you know that Swahili is not just a language, but a unifying force across Africa? It is spoken in about 12 different countries, bringing people together through its beauty and diversity. If you'd like to support our mission of promoting language learning and preservation, you can donate through our website or purchase our books on Amazon. We already have over 70 books covering over 22 languages. And every contribution helps us continue our work in sharing the beauty of African languages with the world. Each one of our books features stunning illustrations that immerse readers in deep culture experiences. Our collection offers something different for learners of all ages and levels. I am thrilled to be your guide for this journey as we explore the richness of Swahili language and culture through this video. Let's dive in. Mother. Ma. Mama. My mother. Mama yangu. Mama yangu. Yes. Ndiyo. Ndiyo. No. Hapana. Hapana. Why? Mbona? Mbona? Because. Kwa sababu. Kwa sababu. Breast. Titi. Titi. Breasts. Matiti. Matiti. Milk. Maziwa. Maziwa. The child is breastfeeding. Mtoto ananyonya. Mtoto ananyonya.